Vince was just chatting. He plays a lot of golf, right? A lot of golf, and sometimes issues with your shoulders. So we do some adjustments. There's lots of different ways to adjust the shoulders. This is one that I use with Vince that works really, really, really well. It's just a distraction and then a push. Just like that. And one more. Perfect. Okay, I'll do the same on the other side. Okay? Good. And that helped you a lot, doesn't it?
It does help.
It's just a simple adjustment. We've adjusted your shoulders many different ways, but that seems to work best.
It frees them up.
Yeah.
That's how it feels.
Yeah. A lot of things I see with like men over 40, well, one of the things is tight shoulders. I see that all the time. If I can give one piece of advice, is to just stretch. Take some time every day. Spend 15, 20 minutes a day. Yeah. And just stretch, you know, because as we get older, things just get tighter, they get more restricted. If we can just stretch, you know, it's so simple. I feel we'll be a lot better as we're all getting older, because let's face it, we're all getting older.
We're all getting older.
All right.
Things are a little more difficult.
Things are a little more difficult. Yeah, thanks for sharing, buddy.